All right, friends, today we're heading straight into the heart of Appalachian country. And trust me, this one feels like a hidden gem. We're in Laurel Bloomery, Tennessee, where rolling hills, mountain air, and the sound of the creek come together to create pure peace and quiet. Sitting on about 15 acres, this charming 3-bedroom, 1-bath home offers the kind of space and serenity that's getting harder and harder to find. Whether you're dreaming of a homestead, a vacation getaway, or a short-term rental retreat, this property gives you all three options in one beautiful package. Let's step inside. The layout is simple, functional, and filled with natural light, exactly what you'd want from a country home like this. Every window frames a piece of Tennessee's natural beauty, from the meadows to the tree line. The living areas have that cozy, welcoming feel, and the bedrooms are bright and comfortable, perfect for family, guests, or a peaceful mountain retreat. One thing that really stands out here, the crawl space has been fully encapsulated and outfitted with a commercial-grade dehumidifier, so the home stays clean, dry, and efficient all year round. But as beautiful as the home is, it's really what's outside that makes this property so special. Over 1,000 feet of creek frontage, camping spots, and even a potential pond site, all surrounded by mature trees and open fields. You'll find a seasonal spring-fed waterfall, plus room to hike, garden, or simply sit back and enjoy the sound of the water. And if you love adventure, you're in the right place. Just minutes from the Appalachian Trail, Virginia Creeper Trail, Mount Rogers National Recreation Area, and Jefferson National Forest. Fishing, hiking, or riding, it's all right at your doorstep. Plus, you're close to Damascus, Virginia, Trail Town, USA, and a short drive to Mountain City, Bristol, Abingdon, and Boone. So whether you're looking for a peaceful mountain home, a place to get off the grid, or an Airbnb-ready investment, this Laurel Bloomery property truly has it all: beauty, acreage, and that unmistakable Tennessee.